This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Charlotte Chandler. Charming Cape Cod sits in center of quiet Larchmont block. Lovingly cared for, this classic beauty boasts easy floor plan, nice natural light, and a fenced-in backyard. Tax records indicate it is a 4-bedroom house, but the 4th bedroom reads more as an office/sitting area. 22 new air handler, 22 crawl space encapsulation, 23 gutters, 23 water heater, 23 dishwasher microwave under sink water filter, 23 gazebo, 23 landscaped backyard proximity to Larchmont Elementary, St. Patrick Catholic School, Aju, Naval Base and Downtown contribute to the ease of living in this home. Seller prefers to stay in home until August 19th but is negotiable. July 9, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Charlotte Chandler at 757-262-7721.